in 1992, there was something called as Shanghai Cooperation Organization. It is called as SCO. Okay, Shanghai Cooperation Organization. Now, why this was formed? Because in 1990, if you go and check the history of USSR, this USSR got split up into many countries like Uzbekistan, Tajikistan, Kazakhstan, like that. Okay, so here, if this is Asia, here there is the world's largest country, that is Russia. Correct? The world's largest country, that is Russia here. So small countries, when it got split up, there was dispute between China, okay, and all the neighboring nations. So what was the dispute? The dispute was regarding border dispute. Who takes the land, who holds the right on that land, like that. So initially what happened, these people, they decided, okay, let us start something called as Shanghai Cooperation Organization. We are going to cooperate on the topic of the border. Okay, we'll solve the issues of this border dispute. So in 1992 it all started. Until 1994 or 1995, everything was completed. Okay, the border dispute was completed, it was peacefully settled, and all these countries were independently functioning. But now after this, what happened? So when there was peaceful like formation here, they decided to take it one step further by having economic ties between all the countries. Okay, nowadays you can hear, right, one belt one road, all these things. So what happened, all these economic activities, people started doing it in Shanghai Cooperation Organization. And slowly what happened, this Shanghai Cooperation Organization, this becomes one of an international body. You know that there is something called as UNO, then something is called as BRICS nation, then ASEAN, like so in this way, you have something called a Shanghai Cooperation Organization. And what happened, this Shanghai Cooperation Organization, in 2016, two countries approached this SCO and they told, we also want to be a member of SCO. Mainly two countries, and these two countries are India and Pakistan. Okay, these two countries are India and Pakistan. So when India went and approached Shanghai Cooperation Organization, Pakistan also followed. So what these Chinese and SCO people did, they decided for another 2 years, that means till 2018, this India and Pakistan will be a temporary member. Okay, they will be a temporary member, and after this only we will decide whether they should get a permanent membership or not. In 2018, India and Pakistan, they were given permanent membership in Shanghai Cooperation Organization. Okay, they were given a permanent membership. Now under this Shanghai Cooperation Organization, there is a bank called as Asian Development Bank. Which bank is here now? Asian Development Bank. Now, what is the problem here? If you see World Bank and IMF, okay, they have a monopoly. Monopoly means what? They have their own set of rules, and they will never give chance to any Asian to become the chief of the World Bank, or any South Asian to be the chief of World Bank or IMF. They have their own set of rules. They do the business in dollars, and that's how this Western nation, they make money. Okay, in order to challenge this, what happened, people started Asian Development Bank, just a counter bank which can replace this World Bank in future. Okay, and now you know the vice president. Who is that? Tell me, Pavan Sai.
Ashok Lavasas.
Yes, Ashok Lavasa, Mr. Ashok
Uh,
Lavasa. Now he is going to be the vice president of this Asian Development Bank. Understood? So this is what your current affairs is from that important topic. Got it? Understood?